Hey loves, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Alexandra. If this is your first time seeing this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. In that way, anytime I upload any video, you'll be notified. Today's look is going to be a full face makeup transformation on a brown skin, so stay with me today as we dive right into the video. I'm going to start with my brow as usual. Today's brow, I'm going to use the Rimmel eyebrow pencil. I'm going to start with drawing my brow. Using the pencil to fill in all the empty spaces that I have in my brow. This will make the brow look bold. I'm going to continue and brush my brow. Done with that, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Fawn to clean underneath the brow. I'm going to place a little under my brow where I'm going to use my brush to clean it. L'Oreal True Match Foundation to clean the upper part of my brow. I'm going to go in with my regular brush just to blend the foundation that I put at the top of the eyebrow. From this step, I'm going to do my eyeshadows, but before I do the eyeshadow, I'm going to put on Milk of Magnesia on my face. That is what I'm going to use to prime my face, and I'm going to do it ahead because it has to dry on my face before I apply my foundation. I pour a tiny amount of the Milk of Magnesia into this cup. That's what I'm going to use my brush to apply it onto my face. This is how it looks on the brush. If you have oily skin like mine and your face does sweat a lot, this is very good for you. It makes your makeup looks good and keeps it in place without sweating. Letting the Milk of Magnesia dry off, I'm going to continue with my eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm going to go for this lilac and pink looking color. To start with that, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Fawn to base my eye. White concealer at the same place. The reason for the white concealer is going to make my eyeshadow look stronger color to make it pop. That's why I use the white concealer in the fawn color. I'm going to go on with my beauty blender and blend it out smoothly. Done with that, I'm going to go in with my first eyeshadow. That is the pink color. I'm going to blend it lightly into it and start building up. That's done. I'm going to go in with the lilac color into the corner. Done with that, I'm going to go in with a different concealer to cut crease. Done with that, I'm going to use my build up brush and add some powder on it. Perfect. I'm going to go in and put the glitter here into the corner of the crease. Finished with my eyeshadow, I'm going to go ahead and line my eye using e.l.f. eyeliner. I'm going to use the Laura Mercier mascara on my eyelashes. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face. Since I've primed my face already with milk of magnesia, I'm going to go ahead and put on my foundation. The foundation I'm going to use today is L'Oreal True Match in Cappuccino, and then Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. I'm going to use the 362. I'm going to combine these two. I haven't combined these two before, so I hope it works well. I'm going to go ahead and blend it all in. This is how super smooth the foundation is beginning to look. I think it's because of the milk of magnesia that I put on my face. It's making the foundation look super smooth. So when you put this milk of magnesia on your face, it doesn't only stop the oils that is produced on your face, it also gives you a very matte finished look. So this is how it's looking already. This is only the foundation that I've put on my face, nothing else yet. And if you see the scars that used to be on my face, it's not that showing anymore. It's not showing a lot like it used to show before. So I think this milk of magnesia is quite good. I'm going to conceal underneath my eye using the Revolution Pro Conceal and Define. I'm going to combine it with LA Girl Pro Concealer Shade Fawn. I'm going to go in with my brown concealer stick. I'm going to start blending the concealer with the same brush that I started with. I'm going to go in from the in going to the out. powder I'm using today is Free. That is a Blur powder. Going to go underneath very light. The powder look a bit like white or yellowish. It's between like cream, so I'm putting it at the places that I want highlighted. I'm going to go in with my regular mixed powder and just smoothly blend it all through, just like sweeping it away. The powder I put underneath my cheek is quite darker. I'm putting the same onto my forehead. I'm going to go ahead and highlight with the Technic Gets Gorgeous highlighter. That is a gold and kind of looking bronze. The lipstick I'm going to use today is Huda Beauty. I'm going to use this pink and lilac looking lipstick. I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. So here comes the end of today's flawless full face makeup look. If you do like today's makeup tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up. Also leave a comment down below, it's very important. Thank you so much for watching today's video and see you in the next one. Bye.